Welcome to Italian Express. Learn Italian. Today we'll know about present continuous tense in Italian. Okay? First we'll know I'm going. I'm going in Italian. Sto andando. Sto andando. Okay? Sto andando means I'm going. Here. Sto means I'm andando means going. Sto andando. I'm going. Then we'll know I'm eating. I'm eating in Italian. Sto mangiando. Sto mangiando means I'm eating. Here, sto means I'm. Mangiando means eating. Sto mangiando means I'm eating. Then I'm coming. I'm coming in Italian. Sto arrivando. Sto arrivando. Sto arrivando means I'm coming. Here, sto means I am. Arrivando means coming. I am coming in Italian. Sto arrivando. Sto arrivando. Then I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping in Italian. Sto dormendo. Sto dormendo. Sto dormendo means I'm sleeping. Here, sto means I am. Dormendo means sleeping. So, I'm sleeping in Italian. Sto dormendo. Sto dormendo means I'm sleeping. Then, I'm talking. I'm talking. Italian. Sto parlando. Sto parlando. Sto parlando means I'm talking. Okay? I'm talking. Italian. Sto parlando. Here, sto means I'm. Parlando means talking. Parlando means talking. I'm talking in Italian. Sto parlando. Sto parlando. Then I'm cooking. I'm cooking in Italian. Sto cucinando. Sto cucinando. Here, sto means I'm. Cucinando means cooking. Sto cucinando means I'm cooking. Here, sto means I am. Cucinando means cooking. Sto cucinando, I am cooking. Then I'm drinking. I'm drinking in Italian. Sto bevendo. Sto bevendo. Sto bevendo means I'm drinking. I'm drinking. Okay? Here, sto means I am. Bevendo means drinking. Sto bevendo. I'm drinking. Okay? I'm drinking in Italian. Sto bevendo. Then I'm working. I'm working. I'm working in Italian. Sto lavorando. Sto lavorando. Here, sto means I am. Lavorando means working. Sto lavorando. I'm working. Okay? I'm working. Sto lavorando. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. Then I'm traveling. I'm traveling in Italian. Sto viaggiando. Sto viaggiando. Okay? Sto viaggiando. I'm traveling. Here, sto means I am. Viaggiando means traveling. Sto I am viaggiando, traveling. Then we can say sto viaggiando, I'm traveling. I am traveling in Italian. Sto viaggiando. Then I'm waiting. I'm waiting in Italian. Sto aspettando. Sto aspettando. Okay? Sto aspettando means I'm waiting. Here, sto means I am. Aspettando means waiting. Aspettando. Okay? Aspettando means waiting. Then we can say sto aspettando. I am waiting. Then I am improving. I'm improving in Italian. Sto migliorando. Sto migliorando. Sto migliorando means I'm improving. Sto migliorando. Okay? Here, sto means I'm. Migliorando means improving. Sto migliorando. I am improving. Okay? Then I'm cleaning. I'm cleaning in Italian. Sto pulendo. Sto pulendo. Sto pulendo means I am cleaning. Sto pulendo. Okay? Here, sto means I am. Pulendo means cleaning. Sto pulendo means I am cleaning. Okay? If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Then I'm studying. I'm studying. I'm studying in Italian. Sto studiando. Sto studiando. Studiando means I'm studying. Here, sto means I am. Studiando means studying. Sto studiando means I am studying. Okay? I am studying in Italian. Sto studiando. Sto studiando. Okay? Then I'm watching TV. I'm watching TV in Italian. Sto guardando la TV. Sto guardando la TV. Okay? Sto guardando la TV. Here, sto means I am. Guardando means watching. La TV means TV. Sto guardando la TV. I'm watching TV. Then I'm shopping. I'm shopping in Italian. Sto facendo shopping. Sto facendo shopping means I'm shopping. Here, sto means I am. Facendo shopping means shopping. Okay? Sto facendo shopping means I'm shopping. Then I'm reading a book. I'm reading a book in Italian. Sto leggendo un libro. Sto leggendo un libro means I'm reading a book. Here, sto means I am. Leggendo means reading. Leggendo means reading. Un libro means a book. I'm reading a book in Italian. Sto leggendo un libro. Then I'm writing a letter. I'm writing a letter in Italian. Sto scrivendo una lettera. Sto scrivendo una lettera means I'm writing a letter. Here, sto means I am. Scrivendo means writing. Una means a. Lettera means letter. So we can say sto scrivendo una lettera. I am writing a letter. Then I'm listening to music. I am listening to music in Italian. Sto ascoltando musica. Sto ascoltando musica means I am listening to music. Here, sto means I am. Ascoltando means listening. Musica means music. Sto ascoltando musica means I'm listening to music. Last one is I'm playing. I am playing in Italian. Sto giocando. Sto giocando means I'm playing. Here, sto means I am. Giocando means playing. Giocando means playing. Sto giocando. I am playing. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel.